At Maruti Suzuki, we believe trust begins with transparency. That's why every step of your car's service journey is clear, open and shared with you. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Let's talk about how Maruti Suzuki is making car servicing a transparent experience. Why spend extra time waiting at the service desk? With Maruti Suzuki's transparent servicing solutions, you can review and approve additional work right from your phone. Quick, easy and hassle-free. That's where the online customer approval system OCAS comes in. With the online customer approval system, you can easily approve or decline any additional repair work suggested during your car's ongoing service, right from your phone. Let's walk you through the online customer approval system. The service person noticed some suspension problems that required extra repairs. So an update was sent to the customer on their phone, informing them of the extra requirement. Now let's explore the customer's phone screen to see the process. Customers need to click the online customer approval system link, review the additional work details, and then approve or reject the request based on their preference. Quick and convenient. Similarly, you can be rest assured that the online customer approval system keeps you in the loop always. And that's a wrap. Have a topic you want us to dive into next? Let us know in the comments. Stay safe, stay informed. We'll see you next time.